everybody and welcome to YouTube episode number 176. Myself Lalia Dattagupta, Sanskriti Kolkata, and today's episode is on rich South silks, Kanjivarams and Uparas, rich heritage weaves, and you know how South is famous for silks. So today's episode is on South silks. Product number 1, I'll show you Upara. Actually, what I'll tell you honestly, Uparas and Kanjivarams are very expensive. They real Kanjivaram and Upara, though even if these are all pure silks, the real Kanjivaram and Upara comes to lakhs. So this is just a lighter version of Upara, all pure real silk, original silk from South. And this is price rupees 15,900 with blouse piece. It's a maroonish red color. I would say it's a it's a dudhiya alta color, reddish pink color. Gorgeous all over weave. Just check the weave, and there will be little Meena silver zari weave in between the gold weave. And see the rich weave. See the back side, all hand woven. Rich gold zari, all bridal collection, hand woven pure silk product, lighter version of Upara from South. See the gorgeous fall of the sari, the weave, very rich. Here is the pallu part, and the blouse piece comes along with the pallu, 15,900. Just take the screenshot. See the gorgeous pallu part. Absolutely stunning hand weave in pure silk. Bridal red, the same thing in red and gold with a touch of silver Meena. Very heavy quality, rich hand woven saris, pure handloom. See the red and gold weave. See the blouse piece, rich red, rich pallu, 15,900. Very rich. We love the episode. It will be all in rich silks. See the color and how lovely the gold effect is. The border is a brighter gold and the body part will be a little muted gold with Meena silver zari in it. Very rich red, beautiful sari. Gorgeous, very gorgeous. Traditional silk. The weave is very traditional design. South weaves with peacock motifs throughout the body. And it's a very unusual combination also of burgundy and pista. Mint green. You can see a mint green with a burgundy color body. Again with all over rich gold weave. Absolutely stunning for weddings. And see this, these are so traditional, Kanjivaram borders with these gold zari throughout and all over lovely gold weave. Like I said, these are little lighter version of Upara. Lighter, I mean to say, not by the silk part, but by the, as I said, real the Uparas and all, which are priced more than lakhs. Just these are a lighter version of Upara and Kanjivaram, which I will be showing you today in this episode. There are sites where people call them, these are original Kanjivaram, but actually these are Coimbatore silks. These are woven in Coimbatore and these are all pure silk and all hand woven. Gorgeous, stunning piece. All pure silks. I'll show you some colors in this concept because these are very new color combinations of navy and mint green. The colors are also very unusual colors. See, this color of navy and so much of zari weave, but it's very comfortable. Pallu 15,900 with again mint green blouse piece, and the body will have the all over peacock motif throughout, woven in zari. You can wear this color for years and years, and such an uncommon combination. Navy and mint green with all over gold zari. Beautiful pallu and contrast blouse piece in. And these are very heavy quality silk, let me tell you. These are not the low count. All heavy count zari and heavy count silk. Magenta and mint again. With blouse piece in mint. Number 5, Sanskriti Kolkata, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near Baliganj railway station. And the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Citizen Park. We are open every day except on Sundays, Monday to Saturday 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Sundays we are closed, and the rest of days, as I said, but we do take orders and bookings in the WhatsApp number provided 7603042696, and the other number is also given. Only messages please. In case of calls, in case of emergency, you can call the 983 number which is also provided. It will be answered in the working days. See the weave closely. Very interesting weave and design, and since it's all over zari weaving, it will give a very rich, very rich look, especially when people want to wear very gorgeous saris during the weddings. Now see another very interesting combination, and see the typical South silk, which honestly last few years I could not do much work with South silks, because the few weavers that I used to work with, they had started doing semi products because of the pandemic and all, due to the transport and everything, they couldn't continue with the pure silk. So in that case, I would definitely not opt for the semi ones. So now that they have started again weaving pure ones, so, and when I'm not confident of what I'm selling or buying, or the product that I'm not happy with, so I do not, even though there is demand, I do not pursue with the items, the products. So now that I've found 2-3 very good weavers who are doing combinations as per my choice, and I'm sure you would love these color combinations also. So once again we've started working with South, so I'm sure you will love the colors, the combinations that I'll be showing you today. And this is the blouse piece for this. See the quality of the silk. If you see like this, now you can understand how thick the heavy quality of the silk is. And see the weave closely, such rich gold weave throughout in the sari, and even the border. A masterpiece. I was just drooling over this color. Silver grey and gold weave. Bold and beautiful all over weaving. See the color. It's absolutely a neighbor's envy, owner's pride sari. What a stunning masterpiece weave this is. Stunning south weaving, absolutely amazing weaving. See the border. Firstly, I'll start with the border. Gorgeous border on grey color in gold. The body will have silver zari and gold zari. And the best part is the base fabric is also tissue woven in grey silk. Grey pattu with all over tissue weaving with big floral weaving in gold and silver. What a stunning piece of craft this is. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. And the blouse piece would be also brocade all over, woven blouse piece, an amazing piece, and it can be worn generation wise. 21,500. 21,500. The prices are all mentioned in the description part. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Once I confirm you if it's available, the availability of the product, it will be couriered to you in 2 to 3 working days. First come first serve basis. And here is the sari with a gorgeous gold checkered blouse piece. Stunning piece, stunning piece. It's absolutely a delight, this product. So that was in silver. Now coming gold. Since I've resumed working with South again, I have been selling those kalamkaris and other stuff, but these weaving kanji saris, I was in between, I had given a break, but now that I found this weaver, 2-3 weavers, see the product they are weaving. Beautiful, gorgeous saris, all gold. Product number 8, 19,900. See the blouse piece. Why I am showing you the blouse piece? So that you can understand the quality of the silk. See, it's a beige color silk sari with a gorgeous rich gold border. Reasonably priced according to the richness of the saris. And since I've just resumed, I will show you minimum margin saris. Maybe the costs are high because South silks are really expensive because they give really good pattu, but my margin will be very less because I have just started. But since these are all masterpieces, I just wanted to do this episode. It's really rich, gorgeous saris, and you will love. Those whoever will receive these products, they will love the product. See closely the weave of the saris. All gold. Gold silk with gold zari weave throughout. And those who love traditional heritage weaves, they'll really love and appreciate the episode. Not necessarily that you have to buy, but appreciating good weaves, our Indian heritage crafts, the traditional weaves, that's also very important, very important. Not necessarily that every time you have to buy a product, but you can always appreciate good weavings. This is the pallu in Rani. See the weave, the color, rich dual tone hot pink color, and the body in lavender tissue. It's actually a lavender silk with all over gorgeous weaving throughout in zari and reverse. The color, gorgeous color. This is the sari. Stunning. You know, I'm holding it this way and the dual tone color is looking so amazing. Especially when you will wear it with this pallu, the rich pallu and this blouse. 21,500. You can understand the originality. See the back side. A rich red again, bridal deep red, red and gold. Wow. Gorgeous gold color with peacock motif throughout in the check weave. Now here is the weave. It has this blouse piece. Ideal for brides, for anniversary, 25th anniversary. Hey, this is very, very traditional and gorgeous sari. Closely you can check the weave of the sari. And so much of weave, but see the neatness of the back part. Number 11, purple, very in color, 19,900. Purple. South silks are very, very rich. And these are specially, since these are all bridal collection, all rich heritage weaves, master weaves. So obviously these are all curated. See the Meena weave, purple with Rani and gold, gorgeous, and see the border. 19,900, gorgeous, stunning border, and it will have this contrast purple blouse piece, two-tone. See the color of the silk. So obviously you can understand how gorgeous and rich these will look on draping. All the while, until and unless I am confident, like I always keep telling, like I know I am catering the best silk, you know, even if it's in demand, I will not do it until and unless I am confident of what I am selling. Number 12, a gold silk with coral weave. Basically the sari is in yellow. On top it is woven with tissue. So it has a gorgeous sheen on it, just like we highlight. So it's got a beautiful highlighting in this silk. On top of that, this peach pink all over, the weaving is making it more rich. peacock woven border. Pallu. Pallu. Blouse piece. Body, pallu. And the color combination is so very sweet color combination. South jewelry, South silk, South Indian food. I love everything about South. Each and every piece is a masterpiece. All these, you know, I mean, personally, every sari has a personal touch of Sanskriti, because these are not the regular ones that you will get. All custom woven. See the Jamewar weave. Each buta so prominent and as if it's just blooming. See the zari all over weave, the flower, the border, hot pink border with gold, sleek again another border, the pallu. This is product number 13, 19,900. And here is the blouse piece. It's a two-tone hot pink color, peach pink, coral color with Rani border. All bridal collection. The bride can wear, the sisters can wear. The mother-in-laws can wear. I would, I always encourage the parents, the mothers and mother-in-laws to wear rich, gorgeous saris during their children's wedding. See the color? This is the end. Again the Meena Buta, same thing, it's another color. When you make the payment, after the payment, kindly when you send the name, address, phone number, please send in one format. Don't send multiple messages. One message where you have the name, where the product needs to be shipped, the address and the phone number kindly in one format, so that we do not have to wait for another day, because there's a day and night difference, and also when we close we keep forgetting that this parcel needs to be shipped. It's pending because of the telephone number. So kindly give it together so that your shipping is not delayed. Even it's good for us when we can dispatch as soon as possible. Now though this is a bridal collection episode, But then I thought of showing this masterpiece weave and the combination white and black with silver zari. How gorgeous and stunning this weave is. White, it has a touch of off-white, you can say, because I would be very, very specific with whites and off-white. Once I had got a big jhar from a customer, I had mentioned white and it was off-white. So I don't want to make that mistake again. This is basically a very light tone of off-white. I mean, it's a white only, but a touch of off-white, you can say, maybe of the yellow light or something, with silver zari in black. 17,800. Shikarga weave, elephant and peacock in zari, black border, and here comes the blouse piece, black blouse piece with zari weave. So, and one side broad border and the other side will have just a silver sleek border. So it's a Mohapar woven sari. See how stunning it would look on draping. Fine, let me. Especially when you will wear it with the black blouse and broad border in the sleeves. Probably the whole sleeves will be of your this peacock weave. Black weave will be your full sleeves and the body will be of the blouse in black, and here is the rich gorgeous. I mean, it's a stunning piece. There's zari butta all over also actually. I hope you can see the silver zari butta all over the sari. Product number 15, and here comes the pallu part. I'll show you another same color combination without figures. Number 16, 17,800. Same thing, only the weaving is changed. This is a stunning piece, actually black and white and with this totally geometric border. Very, very smart. I mean, you will really stand out in the crowd of all people wearing reds and ranis and hot pinks and greens. But this black and white will be an eye catcher. $17,800 for this gorgeous silver zari weave, and here is the blouse piece for this. Like I said, only the sleeves will be in the rich border, make the sleeves in rich border, and the body in simple black. Actually, these silks are so good quality, and the another advantage South silks are, it has a very good width also. Wear lot of oxidized silver here. Pure silk, south with jacquard woven. It has full jamewar weave. Now see, this is such an interesting sari, so soft, lightweight. See the back side, see the weave. Actually, this is where the finish lies. Nothing will, you have the fear of always getting stuck in your bangles. No, nothing will happen. See the border. It's silk with silver zari. The body is another shade of light, some resham weave all over. Very nice color combination, very smart looking. Very different weave actually, and here comes the blouse piece, and the blouse piece is in silk organza. Very stunning heritage piece. With the black blouse, really good. Now I'll show you some more traditional jacquard, these peacock woven Kanjivarams. Now here comes the border in rust, here comes the reddish tone silk with all over zari weave, very gorgeous and rich. The blouse piece will be in contrast. This is the blouse piece. Checks is very common in South. We love checks, stripes, and this check especially will look unusual because of the small peacock buttas throughout the check booties. So this is reddish. I have one in maroon. Number 19. Maroon and rust. Looks very pretty on wearing. And here is the. I watch South Indian movies, even though I just follow the subtitles. I watch South Indian movies just for the saris, just to check out the combinations and to watch the saris the heroines wear. Another stunning color combination, slate and navy with a touch of rust. Navy border, body in slate, aanchol. The border is in red, no, sorry, not rust. The blouse piece is in navy. This is the blouse piece. Actually, these are dual tone, no? The color sometimes seems rustish, sometimes reddish. Very nice color combination. Grey and navy with red, deep red border and contrast navy blouse piece. Okay, closely the weave of the butta in case you want to see it closely. See the border also. Rich border in gold. Pallu. Okay. Now another stunning color combination, extremely good pattu. It's a very simple weave, but the color is just amazing color, and rarely you find this color, especially because it's a solid color. It's a single color sari. And the gold and the weave is blending so well, it's complementing each other. See, it's a very stylish, fashionable sari, especially when you will wear it with this particular little contrast blouse piece. It has a very sleek, narrow zari border, temple border. And this is the sari. It's a beautiful color. Stunning color combination. All over jal weave. Totally different color from the ones that I've been showing you. It's a nice sky blue color with gold and silver. Jal weave, floral, and the blouse piece color is very soothing. It's in powder blue. Here is the blouse piece for you. It's a very nice powder blue color, and the body will be in sky. Here is the sari, and a very interesting powder blue pallu. So it's a single color sari with this pallu and blouse matching, and both in the shade of blue, sky blue and powder blue. So it's a very nice weave, and all over jal. So those who love heavy quality, good quality, unusual weave in silk, of course South silk most of you must be having, but when there is a little difference in the weaving, it really looks nice, something new. See, this is just a solid color sari, no buttas, upper border also muted because it's just a touch of zari. It has just a zari weave in the upper border. Why? Because I wanted to highlight the lower border, the moha part, the double border temple with this another weave. So it's a magenta and red double border in a very uncommon shade of green. It's a beautiful sari. I'll show you some more these moha part saris. I loved it. See. So here is the sari, and especially see this with my blouse. This is also looking so rich because this also has a contrast blouse. I'll show you the blouse piece. Just have a look at the sari first. Amazing sari, and here is your pallu, and here is your blouse piece. What a beautiful blouse piece in magenta and red. The red is there, also it has the zari border. So okay, once more, this you can attach in the back. The sleeves I would prefer making it without zari, only in the silk part. The red in the sleeves border, body, and the gold in the back side. So it will look nice, very nice. Number 14,900. I have a black one in Mohapar also. Jet black, tomato red and Rani color border, and see the prominent border. I'm saying embroidery. It's the weave. The prominent border weave in gold. Temple in one side, floral in one side, double border. Upper part gold zari. Here. And this too has that orange and Rani, rustish orange and Rani blouse piece. Please do take a minute to like, share and subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll get regular notifications. These products will be uploaded in the Kanjivaram album in Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, Kanjivaram and Upara album in Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, and also the bridal collection album in Facebook page. Suppose you want to see any product in YouTube, just type Sanskriti Kolkata Katha. So you know the Katha episodes you can check out for options. But usually the previous kathas are all sold out, but check out for more uploads every alternate day almost we do upload new products. You can check out our showrooms also for new collection, and the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where preview is already given the day before I upload. The Insta page, Lalia at Sanskriti Insta page, you can check out that also. WhatsApp status, where the reviews, the notifications and repeat of products are uploaded. You can check out WhatsApp status also, Sanskriti Kolkata, and the phone number is, WhatsApp number is 7603042696. Once again the weave. So Mohapad, I am showing you this double border. I am showing you some very nice uncommon colors. This is the back side. Rani, grey, black. What a stunning color combination. With all over butta. Pallu, blouse piece. So the blouse piece is jet black with the same running border in the sari, and again the upper part will have the zari border. So it's this. I am not telling the prices as it's already mentioned, it will be a waste of time, but still you can just check out the screenshot. The description is already mentioned in details. The last one in this broad border. Royal blue blouse with check border. See the color combinations. Today's episode is mainly of combinations, the colors, the rich colors that have been I've shown in this episode. See, the beige color is a subtle color along with the rich gorgeous peacock royal blue and peacock green combination in the border. So, and when you will wear it with this blouse, can you imagine how rich this will look? The booties, see, the all over it will have the gold booty since it's in a lighter shade. Very elegant sari. Lastly, my dear doll, here is a nice peacock green color sari with double border again. The upper part will have no zari in the border, all over polkas. This is opening. Here is the pallu. See, blue and mauve. Rich pallu, double border, all over polka dot weaving with this mauve and blue color blouse piece. 12,500 for this. 12,500. I just opened the back side while pulling, but it's a very pretty sari actually, you see. This is the sari, the lower part also you can check out the lower part. and it has a blouse piece, 12,500. Now this one that I'll show you, it's an ikat woven, rich color combination, parrot, 14,900. Gorgeous, just stunning color combination, very rich, very Bollywood style. Can you see the patola weave here? Parrot green with Rani orange border. Here is the sari. And of course it will have this Rani blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Sorry, this is the pallu, this is the blouse piece. And lastly, the one that I am wearing, again ikat in white with grey ikat, emerald green border with red, emerald green and parrot green with red pallu and border. It will have this red silk blouse piece. And the price of the sari is 14,900 for the sari. The neck piece that I am wearing goes very well with Katans, Banarasis, because it has traditional, the elephant, and can you see the beautiful tusk, the whole weave, the filigree work, the stone setting, the necklace is totally a handcrafted and very, very gorgeous look with earring. 6,500 for the neck piece. So these are all premium jewelries, and the ring that I am wearing, it's adjustable, 1400 is for the ring. Statement ring, 1400. The earring also I've shown you. The neck piece, is it clear? Can you see the beautiful elephant here? It's just, you know, just in a 3D concept that this has been done. And a pair of, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bangles, gold polish, 6 bangles, red and green stone setting. This is 2,400, set of 6 pieces. 6 pieces is 2,400. So this is all you need to wear, and it will just stand out, you know, gorgeous piece. And the sari price I've already told you. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching till the end. Namaskar.